Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. It is time to give away the tag box. It was a hidden giveaway, so all of you that responded, thank you so very much. I appreciate everyone watching, and let's give this away. Okay, so this is the first box that I had shown you guys that I had made. So this one is not the one that I am giving away, it's the second one. And it already is in a box, ready to go, packaged. So I can't show it to you again unless I go through the video. But I know you guys remember at the end what it looks like. So I have pulled up the YouTube random comment picker. And I am going to copy the link to this video right here, copy. There we go. And I am going to go to the random comment picker and I am going to put it right here. And then we are going to get the comments. Alrighty. Now, we are going to come down here and pick a winner. Good luck, everyone. I appreciate you watching. I really, really do. It means the world to me. And let's go ahead and start the poll. Good luck, everyone. Beth. Kalbach. I'm not sure. I probably butchered your name, Beth. Her comment was, I think the hardest part will be inserting the first dividing piece. All right. Well, Beth, let me go back and do a little checking and I will be right back, guys. All right, guys, there I am in her subscriber list. So yes, she is the winner. Beth, I am leaving you my email address so you can get in touch with me so I can send this off. The sooner you send me your address, the sooner it gets off in the mail. All right, guys, thank you so much. Again, congratulations, Beth. Ladies, I appreciate, and gentlemen, I appreciate you watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next giveaway. Have a great one, guys. Thanks a lot.